text, and we can call this main heading. Main heading, and say required text. So we can just add in there. And we're going to return a test. And here, I can move this test in here and the rest. So we can set the style. So remember our theme section, we have this topography theme. I can go over and see which one can match up to what we have. So we can use headline 2. Copy that. It's got headline 2 over here. So you can say so we have to add context should be required. Build context. Context, we need that. So the current place the widget is being built. So it's called context. Use the theme dot of context, the current section. Now we can say dot testing dot headline 2, not headline 1, that's headline 2 dot copy width. We can use unwrap, so we can use this unwrap to remove that error. That means that's kind of saying that this cannot be now. So we can font weight. So we're trying to change the font weight. Say font. Let's keep it at 600 and see what happens. And that's it for here. Save this. Then copy this headline here. Main headline. And we can go over here. Auth screen, each of these tests we have here. Remove this test. Replace that with our main headline. Page is already suggested something for, but we need to import this. And we have to remove constant from the parent. Test welcome to mental health. That's not what we need. Remove that. That should call sign in, right? So that's called sign in. And the context should be current context. Save that. Here we have what we need. So we have the sign in. So if you look over here, you see the sign in. So that's same with what we have. So the test here should be capital. So we should think that's what we need to fix. So this test should be start. So we should remove the center widget here. So this have to remove it. And that's nice. And again, we can see that we needed a padding. If you look, you see that we needed a padding here. And there should be a padding at this top here. And every single one of them. So what could we do? So should go over back here. So right here where we are, so you can just I'll be adding. So horizontal pattern, we can say let's the horizontal pattern, which is this way. This axis across the horizontal axis, we can just say 24. Let's see if that match up. Okay, that's it. And then from the top, we need, because we need some good space from the top. So I don't think we need that. Now the size box. Our size box here. Give it a height. And say height. Okay, that's moving it down, which is what we needed. And we need to get at least something similar to this. So let's move it down a bit. Can just leave it at 1.5. Just leave it here. And what we could do, since this is being reused most places in the login screen here,